Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to Insider Financial. I'm Alex Carlson, and in this video, we will recap last week's stock market action and discuss our game plan for this week. But before we dive in, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description, go to signup.insiderfinancial.com, or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get all of our reports, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And after you sign up, you'll get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of our ebook. Our ebook, our text messaging service, and email service are all free services from Insider Financial. We don't run any Telegram groups, Discords, or paid subscription services. Well, guys, it was certainly a disappointing start to the new year for most traders. We only had one alert last week, and the stock closed up 12%. It's not great, but it's all right in this market. And right now, all three major U.S. stock indexes, they snapped their 9-week winning streak on Friday after unexpectedly strong December job gains prompted traders to briefly pull back on the chances of a March rate cut. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq all failed to stage the Santa Claus rally, which is the 5 final trading days of 2023 through the first 2 sessions of 2024, as questions grew about the market's multiple rate cuts view. It all adds up to a glimpse of what might be in store for investors in the year ahead. The so-called January effect, or theory that stocks tend to rise by more now than any other month, could be put to the test by the headwinds that include stalling progress on inflation. Inflation's downward trend in recent months had given traders and investors hope that as many as 6 or 7 quarter percentage point rate cuts from the Fed could be delivered in 2024, starting in March. Over the first handful of days in the new year, however, reality has started to sink in. Multiple rate cuts tend to be more commonly associated with recessions and not soft landings for the economy. So basically, the last quarter of 2023, it was just an everything rally. Bitcoin rallied to hit just under 46,000. It was just enthusiasm for risk-on assets, and traders just started pricing in that the Fed is going to pivot, I think the market just got ahead of itself. And as I said in last week's videos, a lot of this also was profit-taking last week. You had a lot of traders made a lot of money in the final quarter. They didn't want to sell in that quarter. They would have to pay taxes come April, so they would rather sell this year. That gives them more time to play with that money. And, everything about the market is forward looking. So, now the market is now focused on we're going to get Fed rate cuts in March. It's highly doubtful, possibly in June. But again, there is concerns if the Fed starts cutting rates, that maybe a recession is on the horizon. Because inflation, yes, it has come down from 9% in, I think it was June 2022. We're just above 3% now. We're going to get more inflation data. So again, this week, but again, I think we're going to baseline right around here, and that's going to prevent the Fed from cutting as aggressively as people think. But again, let's see how it all plays out. But if you look at what's working right now, it's all about biotech stocks, biotech and healthcare stocks. If you look at the top runners last week, I always focus on the Russell 2000 because that's where the small caps are. The small cap, the penny stocks, trading on the Nasdaq particularly. This is our wheelhouse. This is what we focus on. The top runner of the week was LBPH, was up 317%. Great data, but it was a tough. It opened at 18 after closing at 6. It was a great trade on the first day of the news where they put out. What they said is they reported positive top-line data from an early clinical trial. The trial tested an experimental drug on seizures associated with a broad range of developmental and epileptic whatever this word is. The treatment group saw a reduction in seizure frequency compared with the placebo group, also exhibiting favorable safety and tolerability levels. Shares rose to new all-time highs on the news. Again, I saw the news in the pre-market. I don't like chasing a lot of these names because you just don't know what's going to happen. Like, you always worry about an offering. They ended up doing an offering on January 3rd. They priced 10 million shares at $21. What's impressive is the stock did not sell off on that offering news. So again, we're consolidating up here. What can't go lower must go higher. And I think we could see a short squeeze in LBPH this week. This is old data. 3.4% of the float was short. It's just a $600 million market cap. I think we could really see a squeeze. You got analysts, the average target price is $29.86. So I think keep this one on your radar screen. Again, you're not going to make the 300% like last week, but again, you can make some money in this week, especially if we make new break above the highs here at 26. The week's high was 26.50. So that's the key number that we're above. There would be a lot of stops from the shorts. So above 26.50, I think we could really squeeze to 30 pretty easily. And right now, like I said, this is the wheelhouse. Biotech, healthcare. If you look at the names here, NGM Biopharmaceuticals, Ava Technologies, Omega Therapeutics, up 55%, up 47%, up 45%, up 35%. These are great numbers. ACET, I talked about this one last week. Put out a really nice update. Average target price is $12.80, just $104 million market cap. The company, what I really like is they have the updated cash. They updated their cash runway into second half of next year. So they got plenty of cash, and that is key, that they can fund their trials, their drug development plans. So that is the most important thing. With biotechs, it's all about their trials and raising money to fund those trials. If they have those trials funded and then they deliver the results that investors and analysts are expecting, that's where you get these big pops. And that's what happened with LBPH. The company delivered. So that is all that matters. Look at this. On October, you had resumed Cantor Fitzgerald on LBPH. They raised their target from $16 to $35. So again, I think we can really, really see some big moves here in LBPH this week. We also covered GSAT, GSAT, slow and steady. Slow and steady wins the race. Highlighted the insider buying from the director, James Lynch, a $400,000 buy, $847,000 buy, $863,000 buy, $963,000 buy. These are all at these prices, $167, $170, $173, $193. I mean, he just bought this, at $193. So again, he's optimistic and thinks the stock is going higher. We're working on a full report on GSAT. When that is available, we will let our subscribers know. This week's highlights include a couple of things. On Monday, we get Fed's Bostic speech. That'll be closely watched. On Wednesday, Fed Williams speech. On Thursday, Consumer Price Index report, CPI for December. Get initial jobless claims, 30-year bond auction. Again, the bond market right now, take your signals from there. That is what's driving the action. On Friday, we get producer price index, and Fed Kashkari is speaking. So again, a lot of this Fed, this is what's driving the markets. And you really got to tune in, even if you trade small caps only, and you say, I don't care about the macro picture. You have to pay attention to what's going on from the Fed, because that's what creates the big short squeeze moves, the low float runners. It just gets that, when you have that bullish enthusiasm, markets run, and these stocks can squeeze a lot further. So, instead of making, 40, 50%, you can make 100, 200, 300%, in a lot of these plays, because more people are paying attention, and when people are making money, people are telling people, and they're coming into the market. So that's what we're looking for. We want a hot market. In terms of earnings this week, Monday, Helen of Troy, Jefferies Financial. Tuesday, Tilray Brands. We'll be watching that one. This is before the market open. Again, a lot of people are focused on, is the DA going to reclassify cannabis, and that's a big focus right now. AEHR, this was a big winner for me last quarter on earnings, broke out. So this will be coming after the close. Be watching this one. Friday will really start to set the tone for the markets. We get JP Morgan, big banks, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Citigroup, BlackRock, Delta Airlines, United Health Group. So again, earnings season is starting to kick off, and there's going to be a lot of opportunities for investors. So this is what we're going to be paying attention to coming this week. So again, I know if you're bummed out about the first week, don't despair. There's still a lot of opportunities. We're looking for some low floaters, some biotech plays, get in ahead of the crowd type of action here for our subscribers. So make sure you sign up. And then for Monday, I will of course be scanning pre-market. If I see anything new to add, I will let subscribers know. So make sure you sign up. At insiderfinancial.com, what we do here is we put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities in the markets daily. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding the momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at Insider Financial. And to get our small cap reports, we cover low floats, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks, and insider buying. Click that link in the description, go to signup.insiderfinancial.com, or sign up on any of the pop-ups on Insider Financial. No spam, your info is never shared, unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Remember, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion. It's meant for informational, educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining me today on Insider Financial. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss the latest insights and strategies. Until next time, happy trading. This is Alex Carlson signing off. Bye-bye.